In this video, I'm going to show you how to fax with PDFfiller. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top right and you want to click on those three dots. And then from here, as you can see under Send To, there's going to be the fax option. So just click on that and it's going to start loading for a few seconds and it's going to open up this fax settings. And here you can add your recipient. So here it's going to say Send To and you have to enter the fax number over here. And then here you have the document you are faxing. So make sure it's the correct one. And then you can also customize your cover letter. So we have the recipient name, recipient company, the subject, and then the cover message as well. And of course, you can save cover letter changes if you want to too. And then over here on the right hand side, you have the select pages option, which will allow you to select the pages you actually want to fax. And then here you have the preview. So this is the preview. And then over here, as you can see, these are the pages and you can select them all. You can unselect them. You can see the full preview, whatever you want. So after you're done, just click on the send button and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.